Hello, I'm Doug Neary, and I'll let you give you an overview of my quick release harmonica holder. First, as you receive it, it's in its fold down position. So simply flip it over, engage this control arm into this connector, and place it over your head area. Now what you'll want to do is put your mouth organ on. And that is very, very simple. It used to be a really complicated thing. You'd have to take and squeeze down here and try and get it on. There's a pull-down loop right there. Hope you can see it. And what happens is this. You pull it down, you put the mouth organ in, and it's ready. And it's that simple to get in and out. So let's listen. And also, it's now positioned for hands-free playing. Oh Lord, stuck in load are you kin? It was that simple and that fast. You never have to adjust anything. There's no adjustment here. There's no adjustment anywhere. And I'll show you what's happening. This control arm controls everything. When you raise the mouth organ up, as you're raising it up, there's a notch right there. And what's going to happen is the connector is going to fall into that notch and hold it tight. And I mean hold it tight. Just will not move. Also at the same time, you have put this mouth organ holder in what they call the hands-free position, which means you never have to take and remove your hands from the instruments that you're playing in order to play the mouth organ. Now, what you'll want to do now is to take, if it's not in the right position, you've got a horizontal adjustment here and a vertical adjustment here. So you would take, for a horizontal adjustment, release this wing nut, put it to where you think you'd like it, try it, if it works, put it back on. Now when you put it back on, make sure you tighten it all the way down and then back it off 1/2 turn so as to allow the control arm to move up and down freely. Then when it comes to the vertical adjustment, these two knobs right here, loosen them off, move that up and down as you want to, tighten them up and you're ready to go. The other thing that's kind of nice and neat is this neck support. It's very comfortable, it's wide, and it is really nice on your neck. So now, as you can see, to put it in simplicity, put it on, raise it up, and you're ready to play. Now there's a second way that you can adjust the harmonica. And that is for the drop-down position. Now this is set up for the drop-down position. And what you do is you start playing, you sing, and when you want to use the harmonica, raise it up, play, and then when you want to sing, put it down. Now some people like it that way because the harmonica is completely out of the way, and when you're playing the harmonica, you're always facing the audience. But some people like it hands-free, they don't mind the fact that their head is down a little bit, and that's no problems. Thank you for your time.